Come savor with me, my Ilocos Empanadas.
It's good. It's yummy, yummy.
Put them in the middle like this. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Savor with Neil, where it's all about easy cooking plus adding my fun twist. So for today, I'm very excited for our recipe actually for today. I would assume you guys have probably seen this video going viral right now. So it's called Ilocos Empanadas, and that's what we're making for today. All right, so I added my fun twist to it, which is actually, it takes only 10 minutes to make. So we're definitely not gonna make the dough from scratch. And I'm gonna show you guys a quick hack how to make those Ilocos Empanadas wrappers. And it's gonna be very quick and easy. And it's pretty much gonna be the same. It's gonna be crunchy, tasty, and it'll also be orange, okay? So very excited about that. I mean, who has the time to make the dough, right? Ilocos Empanadas came from the Philippines. And it's pretty much those orange empanadas that are crunchy on the outside, and the filling inside is made out of sausage. You get some papaya, some mungo beans, and also an egg in the middle. And you dip it in a spicy vinegar dipping sauce. It's nice and savory and makes a great snack, and it's nice and crunchy, and it's just very wholesome. So I'll show you guys a trick how to do it really fast and quick. Usually people make the doughs from scratch. There aren't really available wrappers in the grocery stores for it, but I've kind of learned how to do it like really quick and easy. So I'll show you guys how to do that. All right, so pretty much for our ingredients, I just got some longganisa, which is like our Filipino sausage that you get from the Filipino stores or Asian stores. If you don't have access to this, why not just sub in your own sausage, right? If you have your own favorite sausage, just sub it in. So that's not a problem. We have eggs to put in the middle of the filling, but I'll show you why we need some eggs as well for the spring roll, okay? We have a green papaya. We're not gonna use mungo beans to stuff it. I think this should be enough. You have the green papaya and the sausage already as a stuffing and the egg. So I think that's more than enough. So for my twist, we're gonna use a cheat sheet. So this is gonna be our hack, is we're gonna use this spring roll pastry as a wrapper. And to make them color orange, we're gonna use annatto powder. That's the one that we usually use with the dough, and cover it with egg and brush it on the roll pastry. Okay, so we'll give that orange look to it, okay? So that saves us so much time, because I mean, who has time to make dough from scratch, right? And it's all about easy cooking and fun twist, right? For the dipping sauce, we have vinegar, pepper, some chili peppers, and also some garlic, okay? And then we have vegetable oil to fry our empanadas in. Okay, first things first, let's wash our papaya. So this one, I remember to always clear my way here, because so you guys can see. Okay, just gonna wipe it off with the paper towel. All right, so we're just gonna peel that off, and we need this as well. All right, so that's for after we peel this papaya off. So let's just peel this off. Okay, I didn't get the first time, so I don't know. One of my pet peeves is actually like if anything gets on my glasses, so that's why I have to like clean it right away. Even just like a little tiny drop of water. Okay, so it's pretty much March here now in Toronto, and it's getting warmer, longer days. I'm so excited for this summer. I'm just gonna be playing a lot of tennis and just excited for that. So yeah, this winter here in Toronto actually has been very brutal. Like there's been a lot of snow and just really cold weather, like polar vortex and all that stuff. So just happy that it's warming up. So yeah, I think this actually is taking the longest time is just to peel this off. But after that, it's gonna be very quick, and just assemble the empanada and then just fry it and we're good. And then we'll make the dipping sauce. Okay, so we're done with this. Let's just put that here. You know what, guys? To save us some time, after you peel this green papaya, we can heat our oil. So by the time we have everything ready to go, your oil is gonna be ready to go, so you're not waiting for it, okay? So that just saves us more time, okay? All right. Okay, we're using this, right? And You know me, medium heat, okay? And then we'll just put vegetable oil in there. All right, so that's good. Okay, so for this, I'm just removing the very tip of the papaya. Okay, all right, so now we start shredding it. Wonder if we can just put it here, actually. There we go. It's making a mess, but all good. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, a few more. All right, just be careful, guys, because in the very middle of the papaya are the seeds. So once you reach that, you want to just go on the side, okay? Careful of your skin. You don't want to be scraping your skin off, so. All right, so I think we've got enough papaya there. That should be good. Got a few seeds that went inside, so just be careful, guys, okay? Okay, the green papaya has lots of water in it. When you fry it, the water will escape. It'll make your empanada soggy. So what you want to do is just grab some paper towel, and then you're just gonna squeeze it so it's gonna absorb the water from the papaya, okay? There you go, you can see. And okay, I'll just do one more. If you have time, you can put salt in it too, and that will let the water escape from the papaya. But you know, you can also do this as well. So this one was much faster. Okay, so we have that done. So we have our shredded green papaya, and it's pretty dry, which is great. We definitely squeeze a lot of water from there. Okay, so that's good. So let's grab 2 eggs. Let's beat 2 eggs. And then we're just gonna put some annatto powder in there, so that this is what the annatto powder looks like. It's orange, okay? So I have my 2 eggs here. Just gonna put a bit of annatto powder in there. This is what we're gonna brush on our empanada wrappers, and then that's gonna turn it into orange. All right, so there we go. Okay, and let's mix that up. Okay, I just checked the oil, it's getting hotter there. So our annatto egg mixture. There we go, guys. There's our annatto and egg mixture that we're gonna brush onto our empanada wrappers, okay? All right, guys, so I'm just gonna open our sausage. Oh, oops, our longganisa, okay? All right, that's opened up, okay? And then I'm gonna open our spring roll. Okay, you know what? Let me get a bigger plate than this. All right, guys, we got this plate. Okay, so let's open these wrappers. So they're pretty much comes from the freezer section. So make sure you thaw it first, okay? All right, so I'm gonna grab one. So I'm grabbing one. So what we'll do is, okay, we'll grab some of the green papaya, put them in the middle like this. Okay, we'll grab a sausage and just open it up. You don't want the casing on there because it's gonna be like, you want all the sausage inside to be out. Careful. Okay, we have the sausage here. Just gonna put that on there. Okay, that's good. And then we're gonna put 1 egg in the middle, right here. You guys can see. Okay, just gonna put it right here in the middle. All right, now we close it. Just gonna use my hand, okay? Just go like this on the edges, okay? There we go. Okay, and then close it like this. Just one corner like that. Then another one like this. And close it like this. And just fold it underneath like that. All right. And there's your empanada, right? Kind of, tiny bit. And then just gonna cover it like this. I don't have a brush, so I'm just gonna use my fingers, okay? All right, there we go. And then at the other side as well. Careful, the egg inside. All right, guys. And then we're gonna put it inside now. We're gonna fry it, okay? All right, guys, here we go. Here we go, guys. Okay, let's make another one, guys, okay? So grab this. Okay, grab our green papaya. Grab our sausage. Okay, take off the casings, remove the casing, and then put our sausage there, okay? I got the spicy sausage, so if you know, right? Okay, grab our egg, right in the middle. All right, and then we close it. Just put some of this on the edges. Just putting our egg mixture with the annatto powder on the edges. Close that up. Okay, and then just put it all around. All right, guys, I think this looks ready. Just flip it. There we go. Okay, and we're gonna put our second one in. There you go. All right, let's take a look. Almost done, guys. See this one, the other one. Okay, no, still not done. All right, guys, I think this is good. Look at that. This one's almost done too. Just a few more minutes. There's our first empanada, Ilocos Empanada, and there's our second Ilocos Empanada. The second one has more of the empanada shape, okay? So maybe we'll wait for that one. All right, guys, I think the second one is done. Look at that. Nice empanadas. Look at that, guys. The second one looks good. Well, the first one is a bit messy, but second one is looking like an empanada. Look at that. All right, now let's just cool it off. Let's put some of this on there and then let it cool off a bit because it's gonna be really hot. Let's just damp it so it's not too oily. All right, guys, so while that's cooling off, what we can do is we can make our quick dipping sauce, okay? So it's very easy. So you just need some vinegar, okay? Some pepper. Okay, so you have your vinegar and your pepper on there, okay? And then some chili. And then we'll just put some of this, the chili pepper. It's gonna give it some zing. And we are just gonna put a bit of garlic on there. One big one here, which is good. Just do that. I'm not using my food processor because it's just one. All right. And put our garlic. That's it. There's our dipping sauce, guys. That was so quick and easy. Our vinegar, chili pepper, and some garlic, okay? The longer you marinate this, the better it is, but we like it easy cooking, right? So come savor with me, my Ilocos Empanadas. All right, guys, moment of truth. Here we go. Let's dip it in to our, oh, wow, that is hot. Be very careful, guys. You wanna make sure you let these empanadas cool after you fry them, or else it's gonna be really hot inside, okay? All right, cheers, guys. Look at that. Wow, that is good. The sausage is a bit sweet, but it's also spicy. And you got the vinegar kick and also the green papaya and the egg inside in the middle. Look at that. So you got the sausage, you got the eggs, and then you got the green papaya, and then you got the spring roll wrapper. The wrapper that we use is crunchy. It's great. Guys, that took like 10 minutes to make. It was so quick and easy to make. The filling inside is so savory. And then you have the nice crunchy wrapper as well outside. And we use our hack with the annatto powder and the eggs to make it like orange. Thanks for joining me today. Let me know how it goes. Let me know what kind of fillings you use, or if there's any fun twist that you added yourself. Do let me know. If I can do it, so can you. All right, guys, we'll talk soon. And just remember, keep savoring you. All right, see you guys. Hi guys, so I've fried a few more Ilocos Empanadas and I'm here with my dad. Okay, so say hi. Okay, all right. So we're gonna try my Ilocos Empanadas actually. So I cut that one in half, okay? And then there's our Ilocos Empanadas. Cut that in half. And then we have our dipping sauce of the vinegar, this chili peppers, and the garlic and pepper, okay? Black pepper. All right, let's try it and see.
Yeah.
Let me know how it is, okay? Pa? All right. All right, cheers. Okay.
It's good. It's yummy, yummy.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Did I do it right? Or, yeah? The sausage is like sweet and spicy. So longganisa. Yeah. What do you like about it?
It's good.
Yeah?
Try this and then you will feel amazing. That's good. This is the first time that I eat this one also.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You've never had it in the Philippines?
No, not yet.
Overall, it's good?
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay guys, thanks for joining us today. And just remember, keep
Watching.
keep savoring
Keep savoring.
you.
You.
1, 2, 3. Keep savoring you.
You.
Okay. See you guys.
Yeah. Thank you very much for watching.